All right. Let's get started. All right, so hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Okay, I'm repeating that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. All right, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now, sell now, straight up, you're on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to successfully trade these markets and the right way, and of course if you're looking to learn the profitable forex strategy, guys, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Also, we're not financial advisors. Super choppy markets, please don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade. Use the right risk management, and any trades that you take upon yourself. All right, so I hope you guys are having a good one. I'm gonna quickly share my screen with y'all. Give me a second. Okay. All right. Good morning, you guys. What's up? But you don't need to record this meeting because the recording is going to be up immediately post the session on our server. Okay, it's going to be up on our YouTube channel. Good morning, you guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going? Awesome. I hope you guys are doing well. Gold potentially maybe sort of playing out right now. I haven't charted Nasdaq as yet. I'm yet to chart Nasty. All right, but that's gold. That's GU, and I have the dirty potentially playing out somewhere over here. And let's quickly do a top down on Nasdaq. Okay. We have about. I've already looked at the charts. But yeah, I thought I'll just save one chart to do the top down live with you guys. Okay, let's get started from the daily time frame. Okay, bullish, slight retracements. We're still holding on our nice little demand zone that we built here based off of that previous wick. There are definitely some buyers that are trying to step in over here. So let's try and get our daily high, our daily low. Let's mark them up real quick. Okay. Switch over to the 4H. Let's see how everything's looking. Okay, not too much to deal with as of right now. Very, very similar to the dirty, actually. I like this region, okay? Oh, this is good as well. Go ahead and let's get that as our 4H resistance. We could have some nice little support kicking in right here. Switch to the early. Yep, I like that better. Boom. Okay. Alright, we're coming into a little level as of right now, so I'm going to mark that up as our early resistance. Let's switch over to the 15s. Okay, and guys, the top down is just something that I do. I've been doing it for a very long time now. If you guys are confused, it's just, it's a manual version of the fibs. And I just trust my eyes more than I do a tool on TradingView. So, but yeah, if you guys, for the new ones that are on here, if you guys have heard of the Fibonacci retracements, it's more or less very, very similar to just that. Okay, so you guys could be doing the top down, you all could be doing the Fibonacci, whatever it is that you guys enjoy doing, okay? Alright, I'm gonna put on a short-term level right here. Let's fix this up right there. Looks good. Let's switch over to the 5s. Nice little key level coming in there. Neckline break. Looks good. Looks good. Awesome. Okay, so Nasty is just fine. What can we expect on Nasdaq? Maybe. maybe we have a little bit of selling momentum that could kick in right at our supply zone here, which I mark out by the red box for the ones that are new on the stream. And risky sells down here for sure. But we can still try and catch something. Okay. Our buys could be up there. I need you guys to realize that we're also going to be walking straight into demand up here at the 4-range resistance. Okay, so that's another level of supply. My bad. So if you guys are getting in on this, you'll need to realize that's about that's a tiny move. Okay. I know my scalpers out here. You guys are going to be just fine. You'll have started trading the impulses with me and all of that good stuff. So I know you guys are going to be just fine. But for the ones that are new, please be careful and use the right risk management. How many of you guys checked out our I'm not sure if it's the latest one anymore, but our newest reel? Did you guys check that out? Because we pretty much let you guys, just in those 30 seconds, we pretty much let you guys know what you'll need to be doing with our boxes and with our setups, right? So did you guys get a chance to check it out? I also just noticed it, all right? I think this by far is the highest attendance. So, welcome, guys. Welcome to Forex Trading. We scalp these markets, and we're on the 5-minute time frame. We just basically trade price action. We mark out supply, demand, break of structure, and that's usually what we trade. And we're also live twice a day for the London Market Open and for New York Market Open. And I do do New York Market Open, and my partner Cash FX does London Market Open, and she streams it live for you guys as well. But welcome, okay? Take it easy. Just look at what it is that we do here. Spectate today. I'm here to answer any sort of questions that you guys have for me, or just what it is that we do here, and yeah, we can get you guys to start trading stat. Okay. Nasdaq is done. The dirty is done as well. All right, gold's being, let's fix up gold. Gold's being indecisive right about now, just because we have market open in the next 7 minutes. You guys need to realize that, okay? It's also been a pretty choppy day. How was London today, babe? London was choppy. Did you guys catch some moves? Did any of you guys bank some for London? I wasn't trading it personally. But did any of you guys manage to catch some? What's Forex Trading IG username? I think it should just be Forex Trading. Mills, are you there? Thank you, Ryan Hawkins. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Go and hit follow if you guys haven't already, okay? Make sure you guys hit follow and subscribe to the YouTube channel as well, or just help us beat the algo. If you're new here, watch what we do, okay? Cheers, Vanessa. Thanks, man. Okay, chop. As you guys can see, we've got all of those wicks just giving us a range, nothing really. I, to be honest, have been in a little bit of a buy position all the way from down here. Okay, so when Cash had done this for London, I pretty much bought the bottom, and I've been waiting for this breakout and that HDF breakout up top. Okay, so it's not a big position, it's $5 a pip, just sort of riding that momentum. I haven't layered anything, just one tiny position, and I'm waiting for this breakout to happen. Is it going to happen? Maybe or maybe not. Okay, I'm in a risk-free trade, so even for market open, if this wants to completely just fall, that'd be okay, because I'd get stopped out on nothing, and it's all good. All right. So let's see how this plays out over time. Okay, we're definitely also building a nice little uptrend over here. Also a possible channel that can be drawn, and we're just trading sideways. Okay, so let's see if market open brings in that that volume. Is your overall bias buy? I wouldn't say so, Dawood. I'm hoping the buys play out, but these markets are just super choppy, as you can see. You know, so I wouldn't say it's my bias, but this is a position that I pretty much caught about 6 hours back at this point, 4 or 5 hours back at this point, right? So watch for nasty, guys. It's starting to drop, okay? But yeah, I'm just in on this. I really don't know if it's going to buy or not based off of price action. Yes, it should. We should at least get that move till up there. But you know how these markets can be, okay? We may or may not get the move. Nasty dropping. Gold's doing something as well? Nah. Gold's not really doing much, okay? Gold's just choppy in there. So I literally caught this, you guys. If this wants to completely come back down, I'd be okay. And then I'd be looking for the sells down here. But for you guys, if you want to catch the sells, we're looking at the break of our demand into our daily support, okay? All right, that's still an impulse on gold. I don't want you guys to consider it anything else. And guys, I need a quick second. I actually forgot to get Loom up and running. Give me a quick second. Okay. Awesome. All right, guys. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? What are you guys doing? Is anyone in or anything? Or are we just watching? Like I said, I'm only in on one teeny tiny position. Just $5 a pip. Nothing too big, nothing too much. And I'm up by about 30 pips on this position already. So I'm just sort of riding the momentum out. Watching NASDAQ. Nope, just watching. Nothing to do. Close the market open. US 30 sell. Gold buy, boss. Okay. It's June and too choppy. That's correct, man. Just watching and learning. Alright, lovely. Okay. Look at nasty. Alright. Where are the extent? Wow. They're pushing down, you guys. Is anyone catching these sells? I'm not in on it, but super close to market open. Did you see that volumized push to the downside on NASDAQ? Okay, that's potentially a nice double bottom formation as well. Yep. Coming into a little bit of divergence as well, but nothing too clear. But let's see, you guys. It's just this is too risky for me to get in on right now, just because of the time. Right? We've got about a minute and 20 to market open. Do I want to be in big trades when market opens? Absolutely not. All right, I don't want to be losing my money. I'm not at all interested in letting these markets sort of get me in any sort of frenzy. Okay, so let's see if this price wants to close below our 4H. Then yes, we could get a little bit of a retest rejection. So the kind of movement that we could be looking for could be something like that. Okay, if not, it's just going to start buying back up, and those potential buys could kick in right there. All right, what do you guys want me to have up? Do y'all want the indices or do y'all want gold? What do y'all want me to have up for y'all for market open? Quick, you guys, we just have about 20 seconds. Indices. All right, cool. Indices it is, and we'll keep an eye on gold as well, okay? All right, you guys, this is market open in the next 10 seconds. Please do not be over leveraging your accounts, all right? I'm letting you guys know. Please be smarter than that. Let's have a good one. Boom, let's get it. All right, nasty. They've tried to close the candle. I told you guys, all right? They tried to close that candle right over there, and they're still dropping. Remember what I drew out for you guys? That's exactly what they're trying to do right now, okay? So if you haven't gotten in on this, don't FOMO in. It's all good. Let's see how the dirty reacts in and around this region. We know we have some demand over here, so let's see if they're going to hold. Too erratic for me, you guys. Too erratic, okay? Gold breaks these highs, and boom, we're pushing to the upside. We're going to go and test out our supply setting up there, okay? Don't trade this first candle, you guys. Literally, I'm in on nothing except, look, are you guys watching the dirty right now? It's ridiculous. NASDAQ gave the move, yes, but the dirty is just being absolutely hysterical right now, okay? But NASDAQ's still dropping. Anyone in on NASDAQ? Anyone trading NASDAQ? NASDAQ's the cleanest right now. Excuse me, guys. Give me a second. Okay, sorry about that. Nasdaq's clean. Look at that, man. We had a nice break of structure, no retest, no rejection, just a break of previous structure. And even if you got in on this candle or even somewhere down here, you should be running, man. Just this candle is about a 27 pip candle, 30 pip candle, okay? And climbing. Well, dropping. W on Nasty, lovely. 60 people, what's up, you guys? Welcome to everyone that's new on here. And just watch what we do, all right? This is Market Open. We're scalping these markets on the 5-minute time frame, and we're just trying to get in and out of trades really quick, okay? So let's see, you guys, if this candle wants to close within our box. The US 30 is starting to drop as well. Gold attempting to create a higher high. GU trying to get into supply there. Let's, damn it, man. Who the hell is trading Nasdaq right now? I should have been on Nasdaq rather than this chop on the dirty. I literally held through all of this chop today and I didn't trade Nasdaq, and look at how clean Nasdaq is, man. What a move on Nasty. They are currently dropping, you guys. They're dropping like there's no tomorrow. Intense. Okay. I'm not in on anything, literally, you guys. I'm just checking on my little position if I got stopped out or not. Give me a second. Okay, I'm still not stopped out on my position. Let's see if we get rejected from here, okay? But if they start a breakout from here, that's it. Like, I know I'm done. The move is done, and when it comes, it'll come. But is anyone in on the sells for the dirty? Anyone in on these sells? Lots of momentum kicking in right now, you guys. Lots of momentum, man. That's good. Not too much volume going into gold right now. Wow. Look at that dirt on the dirty, you guys. But listen, straight up, if we close below our box on the dirty, then we're definitely going down for a wick fill, okay? So we still have about a minute and 20 seconds to go. You guys need to realize this is like the first candle of market open. If you're not comfortable trading this, you don't have to. The ones, I want to see W's in the chat, all right? Let's show the new people on here how many of you guys are banking, how many of y'all banked on NASDAQ or the US 30. Let's throw in some W's on the chat. Come on, you guys. W's. Get the W's going. Boom. 30 pips. Come on, I thought at least some more of you would have made money on that, but it's all good. All right? If you guys are being conservative, it's all good. W Nasdaq. Good. Okay. Nasdaq's a big move. All right? That was our sell region, as you guys can see. Right around there. Okay. Solid 60 pip move. And this still has potential of pushing down. Okay, let me take a look at the RSI. Okay, now let's see how this candle wants to close in the next about 13 seconds. Like I said, if we do close in our box below our demand, then this is going to flip to supply, and there's a good chance that they're going to go and try to fill that VIC again, okay? All right, let's flip it up. You see what I mean? They went, retested supply, and they caught some sellers from there, and now they're pushing back down. So now they're going to most likely try to fill that wick. But again, where are the real sells going to kick in, man? They're going to kick in right on the break of this region, okay? Till then, this is just a liquidity pool that needs to be filled. All right, so let's see. NASDAQ continuations, 100%. Where are we going down to? Probably somewhere there. Okay, probably somewhere in that region is where we're going down to on Nasdaq. Is anyone still in any trades? I literally haven't taken a single Lambo, you guys. I haven't taken anything. I'm just sitting, watching, chilling, not stressing about anything. Okay, Nasdaq still dropping. Runners on Nasdaq, lovely, man. You guys are catching runners, that's good. Not in on anything too. Yeah, space. It's too choppy for my liking right now. Too many wicks. It's one of those days when I feel like I need to be slightly less aggressive and just sort of let these markets play out, you know? So that's the trend line that we're currently on. Look at that. They break this, they're pushing down, you guys. Yep, GU looks pretty clean. Nice little inverse head and shoulders coming in over here. Aligns up with the neckline of our double top. The break of that region could definitely give us a move. 10 pips. Looks good on the RSI. Looking strong on the EMAs as well. Okay, we're basically just picking support from the 9 and pushing up. But you guys want to... Yeah, actually, I mean, I did too. I was going to ask Mills about that. Is that... I mean, is that someone trying to spam us or what? Okay, let's see if they're going to hold over here. A friend request from, what's it called, babe? Forex, the pip guide. That's the account's name. I'll send you a screenshot. Yeah, scam. That's what I thought. Please, guys, listen. If anyone asks you for any sort of payments, someone is in the server trying to impersonate our bot. Wow, people have got to be really freaking jobless, right? But okay, just don't be paying anyone random shit, okay? Just letting you guys know. We're currently not doing the one-on-one sessions or nothing of that sort. There are no bookings that are happening. So literally, if someone from the Forex team is asking you for money, that's a scam. All right, unless we announce that there are openings for the one-on-ones, or unless you get a message from CashFX's account or my account, make sure you guys have it written there on the notes that these are the real people. All right, and only if you're on the wait list and you get a message from Cash or myself, then reply to it. Otherwise, no one at Forex is going to be asking you guys for any sort of payments or any sort of money. Okay. Goldilocks pushing down. All right, let's see if we want to close there. Have a little bit of a retest rejection. I like this sell on gold, man. If you guys are making money on this, you'll need to know. Also realize profits, okay? Someone impersonated you the other day, Mill. Wow. Intense, man. All that tells me is we're getting known. That's all that's all that it says, okay? So gold's starting to really push down. Oof. Look at the dirty as well. Let's see if we're going to pick up some buyers over here, right? Okay. It's one of those days, you guys. One of those days. I feel like there are no trades for me today, and I am okay with that. I'm okay with that. I could have easily traded this candle push to the downside, but I just didn't want to because it doesn't align up with my analysis. So I'm going to wait for price to do what I know it's going to do, and I'll catch the move then, all right? But I don't gamble these markets. You all know it. I just like to trade price action, and this to me is a short-term move. But that being said, they could also drop down majorly, okay? You guys know how these markets can be. Okay, is anyone in on gold? Anyone in on gold? We're having a test of... We're having the test of this region. All right. They're trying to go oversold. Let's see if they have the momentum to actually push oversold, okay? Okay. Let's see how they want to react in and around our supply. If they don't pick buyers up now, you guys, they're going to start pushing down, okay? Because the buyers could very likely get exhausted right at this point. It could just be a little bit of a push, and then we actually start to come. We've got the new 15-minute candle opening up in the next 4 minutes, so maybe that brings in some momentum. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. But so far, nothing for me. Are you in on the buys or the sells, Dawood? Sell feeder. You wanted to break that. You wanted to break that, though. Okay. Gold's not moving too much. Nice little TP sitting right here for gold. Right at our daily level. Extremely choppy, you guys. Yeah, extremely choppy. Like these are markets I just want to stay away from. I'm not even kidding. Like, y'all know me, when I see candles, I get excited, but these are big candles that are not exciting me because it doesn't look good to me right now, straight up. No, man. No. I'm just going to wait for the next couple of minutes and we'll see. We'll see. Okay. That's a big wick that they are creating as of right now. We just need to see, do the buyers actually have momentum or are the sellers going to continue to take control? That's all we need to see, right? Because we had a nice little uptrend that was playing out over here, and then as through the range of the candles, through the wicks, you guys can see that the buyers started to get weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker, and market open was the momentum that it took to actually push it down. Now we need to see, is this a liquidity fill of this daily support region sitting down here, or is this actually just another retest of the trend line, and then maybe we get rejected and pushed down? So this to me is chop right now. This to me is just it's just a market that doesn't respect price action. Look at gold, barely even moving, man. Let's see. Let's hope the new 15-minute momentum, the new 15-minute candle brings in some momentum. No Lambo entries on GU, as you guys can see, right? We had only an impulse. The retest is not really a retest. It's actually starting to push up. We never broke that structure, so no Lambo entries on GU. Okay, look at that. Now this is what's important, okay? Are we going to hold at that trend line in the next 15 seconds with the new 15-minute momentum kicking in, and then we also have the early momentum that's going to shoot? If we don't hold above this, then we're coming back down, you guys, literally. They could make at least attempt to test that low out again, okay? All right, now let's flip this up again. Ugh. Chop, you guys. See what I mean? Close below the trend line, they're coming back down. Okay, they're now building supply through this whole region, so any sort of buys are only going to come on the break of this structure going up here, the break of our 4 now turn resistance. Completely out of US 30. Yeah, man. I'm still in on that position. It's a small position, so I'm okay holding on to it. I just want to see whenever that plays out, you know. Just have a nice little take profit, stop loss, 100 pips, and just bank on Little something extra to compensate for no big moves today. Okay. Higher low so far, but they're definitely attempting to try and create a new low. Are you guys in any trades right now? Any of y'all in anything? Or are we just literally just watching? Market is too boring now? Tell me about it, bro. Tell me about it. I can speak forever and ever, but I myself am so bored right now that I just want to be quiet and really not not do too much right now because these markets are definitely making me sleepy. Watching and waiting, there's nothing. Watching with you, gold. Okay, let's take a look at gold. There you go. Gold's breaking down finally. Maybe a little bit of momentum. Okay, we're gonna go and hit TP on gold. Did you manage to get in, Sumit Parmar? Are you in on this trade, buddy? W on gold. Congratulations. Oh, come on, dirty. Stop being so choppy. Nasty was the move, though. Straight up, Nasty was the move of the day. Um, I pity myself and the other ones that didn't end up catching Nasdaq. But it's all good, all right? There are going to be days like this as well. And it's all part of the journey. Not every day is going to be um, a crazy day, all right? These days are the best days to actually get learning in these markets. Profit booked. Good, good, good. Okay, nasty buys. You could start to look at that region now. This region for the buys, okay? On the break of our next level, we could be looking at something like that, maybe to pop to the upside. But again, Nasdaq is showing momentum, whilst the dirty isn't. It's okay. Yeah, 100%, bro. Days like these are part of the game, okay? And look at the time. We've got about 11 more minutes for the new early swap to kick in. So I'll probably end up staying for maybe the next 10 minutes. Let's see if the early swap wants to bring in any sort of positive volume for us. And yeah. Used 1 cent lot on Nasty. Up 30 cents. Good. Do they have 1 cent lots, babe? They do. 1 cent a pip. Nanolots are usually, if you're using a nanolot that's 0.01, that's most likely going to be 10 cents a pip.
0.10 is 10 cents a bit. 0.01 is 1 cent.
Hmm. Don't be trading this shop. Yep, yep, yep. Watch and learn, you guys. Today for me is also a day to learn. All right, it's we don't always have to get in on trades. We don't always have to trade these markets. Wait for it to happen. When it happens, it'll be fruitful. It'll be worth it. But wait for it to happen. Patience is key. Okay, you guys. Let's see what the next 10 minutes has in store for us. Help me stay patient, Cash. Is there any signal group? Patience is everything, brother. Hey, Cram, you Indian? Yes, I am. Yes, I am, buddy. Nasdaq, what is that? It's chop, brother. That's what it is. It's chop. Samit Parmar, are you based in India? Stupid candles, potential double bottom. Yeah, looks like it. Looks like it to me as well, man. But it's just too freaking choppy. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Yes, awesome. We have a lot of Indians on here, and surprisingly, a lot of them are actually Gujarati, so that's lovely. Not surprised. Me not trading today is a W for me, and Pakistan also. Yeah, I know that, buddy. Me not trading today is a W for me and my profits and mindset, so I'm happy if I can sit here and not chase the profits. 100%. That deserves a heart, JJ. Good stuff. Yeah, we have quite a few Pakistanis as well. I love it. We have people from all around the world over here. Literally, it's insane the community that we're building, and it's insane the number of people from just different parts of the world that have come in to join and just learn with us and trade live with us. It's intense, you guys. All right, 8 more minutes. Are you Gujarati too? Well, my dad was Gujarati, yes. So I definitely have some Gujarat in me. But I was born and raised in Dubai. So I actually very recently moved to India. Well, I wouldn't say recently, but I've stayed in Dubai more. I don't speak Gujarati though. I can understand it. What's the best platform to trade in India? There are multiple platforms that you can use. You could be using the prop firms, my Forex funds, and FTMO. I know for a fact work well on this side of the world, and they usually work well. I think with 99% of the world. And for your individual brokers, I really don't know because I use Trade, which is a global broker, and then I also have a broker that I use back in Dubai. So I don't really have an Indian broker for my individual account. But with the funded accounts, you're going to be just fine. Sell pressure US 30. Yeah, for sure. Is gold doing something? Wow. Straight up, right? Break, retest, rejection. Break that structure. Broke down, had another retest, breaking the structure, and still selling, still selling. Solid move on gold. I hope some of you guys caught that, okay? I'm literally not trading today, you guys. Literally, I'm not in on anything. Um, it's a good exercise for myself because the ones that trade with me, you guys know how aggressive I can be, and I'm just not really feeling the markets today, you know. And just like JJ said, sometimes sitting on the sidelines is a good thing. You don't have to jump in on anything. Not every trade has to be taken. Okay, learn, pick up knowledge, and don't chase the profits. Once you do that, the profits will come itself. Where's my UFC fam at today? Are we here? Who do we have for next weekend, you guys? Are we on the call? Who do we have for next weekend? Who we putting money on? I'm really closely watching the dirty now, you guys. If this wants to break those lows, I am most definitely even gonna get out of my $5 a pip position. Okay, it's still above break even, and it's the only trade that I'm really in. Okay, last 5 minutes to go before the early swap kicks in. Not even 5 minutes. We have about 3.5 minutes to go. Let's see, you guys. Let's see if we're gonna get a move, okay? If not, I'm just gonna call it a session, and it is what it is. Okay, they're trying really, really hard to kick it. Okay, trying to pick up some demand again. 2.5 minutes to go for this candle to close, you guys. 2.5 minutes, and hopefully we get some momentum, okay? But price, look at what price did on the dirty, right? We broke that trend line, went and respected the trend line, rejected the trend line. We've hit TP for the sells, okay? Are we going to close below the box and get a continuation? That's what we need to find out, all right? So I think we'll have a clearer idea within the next 2 minutes. And you all know how important that last 30-second candle is. The last 30 seconds of that candle is, okay? I watch on all platforms, followed on all. Lovely. This market is banging my head. Mine too, man, but it is the way it is. You know, just we need to, like I said, be able to sit on the sidelines as well. That's all good. I'm also holding my US 30 feeler from that trend line. For the sells? Dirty, come on. I guess your Lambo entry is after the wick. I'm not looking for the sells, bro. If the sells happen, I am not getting in on this. Because like I said, I was looking for this market to start going bullish at some point. So maybe I bring my buys lower. That's what I'll do. But I'm not getting in on the sells, bro. And this could move down 100 pips. But I just don't want to get into it. I like to respect the analysis. So I'm gonna let the trade come to me. Okay, last 30 seconds, you guys. Let's see what this candle wants to do. Let's take a quick look at gold. Gold's having another retest. So is GU. All right, 25 seconds to go. Let's see. Are we going to close and create a lower low? Or are we going to close above and maybe start to pick back up? Seven, 6, 5 seconds to go. Okay. Right, so they closed. We just had some Canadian news that came out. Shouldn't really have much of an impact on our American indices, but let's see. Gold pushing back up. Yeah, gold closed up within the box as well. Chop chop, you guys.
Why are people impersonating pick the Forex guy? That's a bot.
I have no idea.
How can you send a friend request to a bot? It's stupid.
It's good to see a dirty market can't always be roses. 100%, man.
But people may
Thank you for the session. I'm on BE. That's it for today. See you London tomorrow. Cheers, Greg. Take it easy, buddy. Okay, come on. Pick up some buyers, man. Pick up some goddamn buyers. Or for the ones that are in sells, pick up some goddamn sellers, okay? But whatever it is, do something, dirty. Do something. Thank you, Cram and Cash. You're most welcome, Jay. Take it easy. See you tomorrow. Okay. Nasty coming back down. Maybe that double bottom is beginning to potentially play out. So the early swap isn't bringing too much. But guys, what I can say from this is it seems more like the sellers are yes, the buyers definitely are weak, but the sellers are also starting to get exhausted, right? That's why we have a nice little, that's why I kept saying that this is a level of demand, right? So let's see. All right, they're getting pretty wicky. They've attempted to break it a couple of times, haven't done it successfully so far. Maybe we get a pop, all right? Either way, but maybe we get a pop. So let's be ready. I'm going to be on for the next 4 or 5 minutes, you guys, and nothing more. Are we looking to buy US 30 from the 4-hour resistance, you mean? There? This is the ideal break. But I'd be okay with even starting to look at this region whenever that happens. Extremely choppy, you guys. I hate these markets right now. Legit, I hate these markets right now. Have you guys hit your profit percentage for the day? Have you all hit your pip mark for the day? The ones that are still on the call? Um, do we hit our targets or what's going on today? Rather be BE than loss. 100% BE any day. I'm still myself. I haven't hit any pips today. Been watching. We'll see if there's a 30 move to get in on. I hit the target. No, just watching and learning. Good. 0.5% before the session. Was waiting to see if there was another trade. Yep, doesn't seem like it. At least not right now. 0.5%. Good, good, good. Right, so you guys, quite a few of you guys have either had a break-even day or or you'll have hit your 0.25, 0.5, whatever it is goal. Okay, so that's good. Yeah, like I said, I'm not looking for anything else as well. It's just if this plays out, I'm already in on the trade. If you guys think I'm going to be getting in on another position or something of that sort, no. I'm not going to be risking any Lambos or Ferraris or Rolls or anything of that sort in these markets. But what I will do is if I start to see price maybe pick up, I'm going to start layering my position little by little. So then I could go in with maybe another $5 a pip, and that adds up to a 10. And then if I do see some good buying momentum stepping over here, then maybe I martingale and go $10 a pip, and then I'm in with $20 and sort of try to ride that for 50, 60 pips and make some money off of that. I took a long on gold and got done BE. Good. Good, buddy. Break-even's good. Slight loss today on gold. Good exercise. It always is going to teach you how to respect your risk management, okay? As long as you've got risk management, you'll be fine. Nasty is starting to come down. Test out those lows. I'm going to wait for another minute, you guys, and I'm going to call it a session, okay? So listen, you guys know it. We're here every single day, twice a day, for London and New York market open, okay? We're never slacking. We're always here doing what we do for you guys. And that's just a small little thing that we ask in return from you guys with this free service, for this free service that we're providing here, right? We're just asking for a couple of success stories on our server and some Twitter posts, okay? Help us beat that algo. Let people know that just let people know what we do here, right? When people come in, they go on to success stories, they check it out. Let people know what we do here. It doesn't matter if you've traded on a demo account. It doesn't matter if you've made $1, 50 cents, 1,000, 10,000, or 30,000 on your funded. It really doesn't matter. As long as you picked up some value out of the session, even in these slow, choppy markets, that's enough for you guys to go on and put on a success story and a Twitter post, okay? And I also need you guys to know it's free for you all to do, all right? If we can take out the time and come on here every single day, twice every single trading day to give you guys the analysis and trade live for y'all, I think it's the least we can expect from you guys, okay? Can you go over where you would enter in on NASDAQ? Yes. Nasdaq. There. I'm not giving the quickest scalp just because it's a small zone, but that was a safer entry. And bigger one up there. Cram, when do you see yourself ever stop going live? Not till Forex Trading is the biggest trading group out there, buddy. It's my life's mission to make that happen and to make that happen as soon as I possibly can, as soon as we, all of us at Forex, possibly can. Okay, so I'm not going nowhere. I'm going to be here with you guys. I'm going to be live with you guys. And trust me when I say this, we're only getting started. Is the Nasdaq looking to make a bearish pennant? Yeah, technically. Yeah, but it's potentially looking more like a double bottom to me because we have that. But yes, you're right to say that. We are building into a pennant. Finally, some buyers kicked in, but doesn't seem like they want to respect supply. I made 220 on demo. Congratulations, buddy. That's good. Great start. Oh my god, I just got so amped. Let's go, Forex fam. We're gonna make it. Trust me, man. We're not gonna stop pushing. I promise you guys that. You have our word on that. All of us, Cash, Millzone, myself, Yano, everyone at Forex, Dawood, just everyone that's working. You guys have our word. We're gonna keep pushing for you guys, and we're only gonna make this better every single day. We're still learning. All right, we're still learning. We're trying to better ourselves every day. We're trying to better our business every day. And all we're trying to do is give you guys value. We're trying to build a community over here. We're trying to build our goddamn army of millionaires, okay? So if you haven't done what you've had to do yet, if you're new, jump on to the Forex server. We have a ton of our community members that are more than willing to help. Ask any questions you have, all right? And they're going to be right there to answer you almost instantly. Okay, you guys, watch for this to close there. Potentially above that. I like the fact that finally the buyers stepped in. Like I was telling you guys, I was waiting for this for quite some time. I got in on another little position at the break of this. Nothing too big, just another $5 because, like I said, I'm not exposing my Lambos in these markets. It just doesn't seem worth it to me today. I'd rather just pull out $500 in profit than risk my Lambo and potentially risk a percent in loss. Okay, so look at that, finally starting to kick in. Price action, you guys. This is the power of price action, straight up. Like Cash and I, we saw this coming when we were here. No kidding, right? But it's a matter of when, and thankfully the early momentum did kick in, and we're flying up, you guys. We're flying up right now, okay? GU's approaching. Keep an eye on it for me, buddy. I'm sorry, I just want to keep a really close eye on the dirty right now. Okay, let's see if they close there. That's what's important, okay? We need to see if we close there. 14 seconds to go. This is the power of price action, you guys. I love it. I love it so much. I'm sure a lot of the people were like, what is this guy talking about? Why does he think it's going to buy? Why does he think it's going bullish when we've been pushing down? You see? That's why. All right? Classic demand kicking in right there. Now let's see if we get a little bit of a retest, a rejection, and we could even, that's a big-ass candle, you guys. We could come all the way back down to that same already existing trend line and maybe retest that and push higher. Ugh. I love the science of reading these charts, you guys. The sweet, sweet art, science, whatever you want to call it, but I freaking love it. This is what wakes me up every single day. Just knowing that I can think like the money makers, knowing that I'm not falling into the trap that they lay out for the retail traders. And when you have the right risk management to go with that, you're going to be unstoppable in these markets. That's my word to you guys. Okay, so I'm going to wait for another minute just because we've been waiting for this for so freaking long. Thanks for the lovely session as always, Cram. Gotta go. Cheers, buddy. Look at that. They're finally starting to get the momentum in. Come on. Give us that fill. Give us that fill. I got in with another $10 a pip right at that rejection. Okay, so as of right now, I'm in with $20. And that's it. $20. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay? it's better than closing the day at break even. You know what I'm saying? And now look at that pump kicking in. Take out your profits, you guys. I'm up by about 550-ish, ranging. But take out your goddamn profits. Y'all don't need to be doing any more. W on US 30. Congratulations, buddy. Good stuff. Good stuff. If you're in on this right now, make sure you have a break-even stop loss at least, okay? If you would have entered in somewhere here like I did, have a break-even stop loss on your positions. Do not, just don't do any more or any less, okay? W on US 30, today's market pretty annoying. Yeah, bro, tell me about it. But that's the thing, right? With patience, you're still able to make some money. Now they're probably going to come back down, retest this. If you guys caught that move, that's about a nice 20 pip pop that you guys would have caught. So congratulations, 1% for the day. Cram, you're the GOAT. Thank you so much, my brother. I appreciate that. I'm glad this paid off. All right, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to call it a session straight up. A very, very choppy session, but I closed the day in plus $560, and I'm happy. That to me, that's still better than a break-even day. All right, look at what they're doing now. They're coming back down to retest that trend line, possibly retest this demand that's sitting down here as well. Okay, so let's see how they want to play. Let's see what they want to do, and let's just see, all right? I'm done for the day, though. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. And thank you for joining us here at Forex, all right? I'm going to see you guys tomorrow for London and for New York, just like we're always there, all right? Thank you guys so much. Have a great one. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading. You guys signing out. Peace. Bye.